Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is December 10th. So day after a report that was, well, it was a snoozer. So no major changes from USDA yesterday. Not a lot of price action here either. So can we spark some kind of movement today? We're starting things off a little better for corn, up a penny and a quarter, but beans down 2 3/4 and wheat down 3 1/4. So export sales out moments ago, 450 to 650 for corn was the expectation. Came out at 1.1 million metric tons. That is friendly for corn. Looks pretty good here this morning. The beans looking for 700 to 1.4 came 700,000 to 1.1 million metric tons came out at 1.4. So a little better than expected there as well for beans. Wheat, 300 to 500,000 came out at 225. Disappointing once again. But we'll see what kind of market action we get today. The dollar playing a big effect today. Once again, only because of the decline that we had seen yesterday. It is up today. Does that mean we're going to find commodity pressure? We've got crude oil that's working lower right now. A lot of the other markets are slipping back as well. So will that affect the grains? Looking at some of the issues that we really need to pay attention to. Argentina's new president takes office today. Will we see some of these export changes? He was promising to find some kind of reform to lift the ag sector for them. Are those changes going to come about? Will we see those? And if so, what kind of market impact can we see? That may impact beans more than it will for corn and wheat, but we'll keep an eye on that here as we move throughout the day. There was another sale today announced by USDA of 120,000 beans to unknown. That may try to support things once we reopen at 8:30. Looking at livestock, though, down again. Cattle falling back another 50 to 60 cents after sharp declines yesterday. Box beef, though, coming in lower. Choice down 106, select down 73. A lot of talk yesterday of cash trading at 119 or 118 in Nebraska, which actually was kind of surprising, and then 119 in Kansas. So we'll see how that all reacts. Have we played enough bearishness into these markets? Have we found a low at this point? But look for that. I think that we are undervalued as far as cattle, but we need to get through this cash break first. Hogs, right about unchanged. Cutout values up 56. So a lot of back and forth trade yet for hogs. They managed to stay higher yesterday, even in the face of the declines that we had seen for cattle. Some of the outside markets, stock market slightly higher right now, back and forth of unchanged. Crude oil, though, down about 30 cents. Now, a lot of chatter this morning. Are we going to see crude oil go back and slip back down to the lows that we made in 2008? So that'd be down to 36.81 if you look at a continuous chart. Or I'm sorry, 32.40. We're currently at 36.81. So got a little room still to go down if we are going to meet those lows. But right now, technically, the charts, well, they don't look good. So we'll see how that reacts today. The dollars I mentioned higher, up almost 40 cents this morning. And can we see that strengthen as we get into next week and get closer to the Fed decision, whether or not we're going to see rates go up next week? 15th and 16th is the FOMC meeting. And we'll see if Janet Yellen changes rates or not next week. But that should be friendly for the dollar. And we could see this dollar firm up after the break that we've seen. We could see that dollar firm up as we get closer to that decision. But give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.